everybody, this is Teresa. Hope everybody's having a great day today or had a great day today. For this video, I'm going to dedicate this video to Gaten Matarazzo, who plays Dustin Henderson on Stranger Things. And so I'm going to do, in honor of Gaten's iconic Stranger Things character Dustin Henderson, I'm gonna do a makeup look inspired by that character. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put this eye look and put it right over here. So let's get started. Okay, so before the video, it was a tough challenge for me to think of an eye look that doesn't look crazy ass or horribly bad or whatever. So before I filmed this video, I already put Max blush in Friends Don't Lie, right over here, kind of like around the cheekbone area, above the cheekbone area, and I put on my lips. It's Kiki's Cosmetics lip gloss in hydrating lip gloss in the upside down. Okay, let's get started on that eye look, shall we? Okay, so the first thing that I did, I took ColourPop's times Stranger Things eyeshadow palette, and I used D&D on my brow bone. I'm just gonna go for it. I also put my favorite concealer I use as eyeshadow primer, which is that Makeup Revolution eye concealer. This one right over here. It's Eye Bright Corrector Concealer. So, that's what I got here. So I'm going to put it D&D from ColourPop times Stranger Things. D&D on my my brow bone, as my brow bone shade. And then I'm taking this fluffy essence brush. I'm gonna put Starcourt Malt from Max Stranger Things collection. The Max eyeshadow palette in class of 1986. I'm going to put Starcourt Malt, which is this cute bubblegum pink shade. I'm going to put in my crease. And it is freaking hot here in Los Angeles. Good Lord. As usual. Okay, lovely. Alright, so I'm going to take this MAC 217 brush from the Strange Things collection, really cute. So I'm gonna take, my instincts tell me to wait before I do that one, sorry, I'll use my Wet n Wild flat shader brush. I'm gonna use from the Stranger Things eyeshadow palette. I'm going to use Dustin on my lids, so I'm going to use this flat shader brush from Wet n Wild. Yeah, a lot of this, almost, sadly, I'm not trying to talk bad about this palette, it's just that it tends to be not too pigmented. So before I put the Dustin shade on my lid, I'm going to spray it with some setting spray. I use this e.l.f. one. And I'm just gonna pat it onto my eyelid right over here. Yeah, it's good to that's how I feel to make this eyeshadow pop a little bit more. It's like a reddish. This is okay. This is Dustin right over here. This red shade right over here. It's like a reddish, red, orangey shade. This is the start of the show right over here. That's not all. I'm gonna go ahead now. I'll whip this 217 eyeshadow brush from MAC. Cute Stranger Things pencil design going on here. The handle. So okay, I'm gonna take Max's. Oh man. You know, I'm gonna go on with this video. Who cares? I can't believe I did this. Darn it. Okay, I'm gonna go on with the video. I do not care. So, yeah, I don't care. So, where was I? Okay, yes. I was in the part where I was gonna get, this is the Void palette from MAC. I'm gonna put Code Red, which is a line he said in season 3. I'm gonna put Code Red. I'm gonna use this 217 brush from MAC. I'm gonna dot it like this. I'm not gonna bother putting any setting spray. I'm gonna put it in the outer corner. I'm gonna dot it like this. And then put it in the outer corner of my lid, made into the crease. Okay, I'm happy with that. Let's see. Trying to not, for all of you guys not to see my glass room. Okay, moving on. All right, I'm gonna grab a pencil brush. I'm gonna drop on the floor. If not, I'll just play it by ear. All right, I'm almost done with my eyeshadow look. Okay, making sure my camera's still on. Okay, so we're gonna go back to the MAC's Class of 1986 palette. This time I'm going to go for Palace Arcade. I'm going to take this pencil brush right over here. I'm going to spray this. I'm going to put it in the lower lash line. 3/4 of my lower lash line. Okay. And then I'll take a eyeliner brush, my double-ended steel, the flatter end of this brush. I'm gonna go for the ColourPop times Stranger Things palette, and I'm gonna do the upside down, and I'm gonna put it in the inner lower lash line corner. Right over here, I'm gonna go like this. Spray it with this offsetting spray. Put it on the inner corner. Okay. Okay. Might as well stop. What the hell? Why the hell not? Okay. That concludes my makeup tutorial. Thank God this turned out very well. Thank God. Gotta look cute just in case Gaten manages to see this video. Okay, that's it. And hey Gaten, if you're watching this video right now, happy birthday, babe. Love you. And okay, until my next video, whenever that is, peace out. Bye.